Ayan, punta po muna tayo sa center para makunan po kayo ng photo ng ating press.
Coach
And
Mia.
now let us also welcome the newest addition to our dance authority, an artist who practically grew up on the dance floor, Kapuso Dance King, Raver Cruz. Hi Raver, good morning! Yan, dito po muna tayo sa center para makunan ka ng photo ng ating press. Yes.
Dance.
And finally, returning to host Stars on the Floor, Asia's multimedia star and box office king, Alden Richards. Yeah, good morning, Alden. Ayan, thank you very much. We'd also like to acknowledge Stars on the Floor Director, Direct Miggy Tanchaco. Direct. Ayan, and we'd also like to mention, wala lang po siya today, but our creative director for Stars on the Floor is Sir Paulo Valenciano. So, ayan, today, we'll be happy to share to our dear press what's been cooking on the dance floor lately. So, let's start po with a quick kamustahan with Alden, Coach Jay, and Raver. So, may few questions lang. Alden, coming from the massive success of Season 1, what would you say is the biggest level up we can expect in Season 2?
Well, sa ngayon po kasi parang we introduced the concept of collaboration between the two worlds, which is the celebrity world and the social media world. So yun po yung nangyari sa Season 1. So right now, we're trying to level it up in terms of collaborating naman our celebrity dance stars with our P-pop idols. Kasi very much dominant na rin na nakikita na natin na nag-grow yung fan base ng mga P-pop stars natin dito sa Philippines. So I think that's one way of leveling up sa Season 2 for Stars on the Floor.
Alright, thank you, Alden. And for Raver naman, so ang question for you is, what are you looking forward to the most as far as being a new member of the Dance Authority?
Siyempre kasama na. Hindi, siyempre, pinaka na-excite ako and looking forward yung sa talent and sa skill na ipapakita nila. Kasi, as far as I know, nung season 1 pa lang talagang sobrang excited and sobrang, like, gusto kong sumali na dun sa, pangarap ko kasi magkaroon ng, makasali sa isang reality dance show din bilang ito talaga yung first love ko, yung pagsasayaw. And then, nangyari, si Rojon yung nakasali. And then, nakakatuwa kasi siya yung nag-champion sa season 1. And then, now sa season 2, kasama ko na si Mr. Alden, si Coach Jay, si Miss Marian. So talagang, na-excite ako na maging part ng show and na makita ko yung talento na ibibigay ng mga contestants natin. Kasi, na-witness ko talaga yun na napakaganda ng show. And bilang first love ko yung pagsasayaw, looking forward talaga ako sa maraming bagay. So,
Ayan, thank you so much, Raver. For Coach Jay naman po, so Coach Jay, saan ka pinaka-excited para sa season na ito? And ano yung mga expectations mo sa performances na makikita mo for this season's duos?
Para sa akin po, yung dati kasi tama yung sinabi ni Alden. Dati social media tsaka celebrity. Ngayon naman is yung P-pop tsaka celebrity. Doon ako sa, yung excited ako para sa part ng P-pop groups. Kasi parang pambato nila yung isasala dito isasalang dito. And then ako, parang na-excite ako na hindi lang sila, nakafocus sila sa sayaw. Kumbaga, sino ba talaga sila pagdating sa walang microphone, o di ba, may kakulab sila na ibang tao. So kumbaga, dun ako na-excite kasi mas ma-highlight yung skills nila pagdating sa sayawan. And then sa mga celebrity naman, na mga bagong sasala dito, feeling ko, panibagong tao na naman compared before, iba din yung skills nila. Eto, ibang mga tao, ibang mga skills, so iba din yung makikita namin bago na naman sa mata namin. And then nakaka-excite na season 2, ibig sabihin kung ano man yung kailangan i-improve as makikita namin dito. So, very excited ako sa season 2 kasi parang gusto kong makita pa more compared dun sa last kasi sobrang ang ganda nung last sobrang satisfied kami sa lahat ng mga performance nila and then na-excite ako sa mga panibagong sasalang dito.
Thank you very much, Coach Jay. So for our final question for this segment po. So this is for Alden. What can you promise viewers about Stars on the Floor 2026?
The reason why nagkaroon po kami ng season 2 is because of the support of the Kapusos all over the world. And I think the people behind Stars on the Floor and all of us really did a wonderful job in terms of showcasing this kind of of concept. Dahil like what we've mentioned and for everyone's knowledge, Stars on the Floor is an original GMA concept. So we took into consideration different shows that already aired globally and then tried to pinagsama-sama namin sila to create this concept for the Filipino audience. So what we can promise, of course, is we will offer a lot of pasabog dance numbers. Of course, yung mga twists and turns po na mga ini-incorporate namin with every episode that we make is still there. Diyan magaling yung creatives natin, of course, and our directors as well. So we're looking forward to this show because it really did well last year. So we're going to be promising our Kapuso audience that we will not let you down in terms of the contents that we're going to showcase in this show for 2026.
Ayan. Thank you so much po, Coach Jay, Alden, and Raver. So, at this point po, everyone will have the chance to interview our stars by batch. So, for now, our Corpcom team will assist our guests in the dining to relax and get some snacks for our generous sponsors. So, thank you so much po.
Naman for Alden ngayong 2026.
Dance partner po for the show?
No.
As in dance partner na sa buhay, Tito?
Yes.
Diba, kung bigay na po, why not?
Ate.
Waiting lang naman po tayo and kung ako, yun nga, kagaya po nung with one of my interviews sa isang magazine, if there's one thing I've learned in my experiences about love sa stay ko dito sa industry, love will come to you. Di ba minsan kasi pag hinahanap mo, pag you feel like you're pressured because of your age, minsan dun pa na dadapa, natitisod minsan. So I think at the end of the day, mahanap namin yung taong destined sa akin and destined ako para sa kanya yung paths namin soon. And I'll wait for that.
Tapos akala ko kay Ray.
Okay na. Ikaw.
Raybird, last question lang.
Last question.
Reaction mo lang na sabi ni Rojun, kahit nag-champion siya ng dalawang titles, mas magaling ka ba?
Hindi totoo yun. Kasi sobrang baby brother niya ako and sobrang love na love ako ni Rojun. And sobrang sweet niya na kapatid kaya siya ganun. And very humble. Pero nung pinapanood ko siya ng season 1, alam ko talaga na hindi ko kayang yun. And simulat sa pool, kaya ako natuto magsayaw kasi utang ko naman sa kanya lahat na nalalaman ko. Siya nagturo sa akin. Growing up, si Rojo na talaga yung magaling. Hanggang ngayon siya yung magaling. And tinuruan niya ako nung nalalaman niya. Tapos, ayun, in love na rin talaga ako sa pagsayaw. Hanggang sa nagsayaw na kami hanggang pagtanda. Pero hindi totoo yun. Siya yung champion para sa akin talaga. Ever since.
Last na lang kay Coach. Coach, anong sa tingin mong signature dance ni Albert?
Uy! Takip mo ka. Joke lang.
Yung talagang parang strength niya as... Ano, Coach?
Yung ganun niya.
Talaga. So, kanya yon walang pwede.
Paano?
Kasamang dila.
Yung may kasamang dila.
Kasi pwede kasi sa'yo yun.
Develop natin, Coach. Malay mo naman mag-viral ulit.
Okay, thank you.